Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Alvaru. Go to alvaru.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click Base CV and upload your current CV. Next, install the Alvaru Chrome extension. Once installed, click the extension icon. You'll see it connect to your account automatically. Now go to LinkedIn and search for jobs. Then click Tailor and apply. Alvaru reads the job description and rewrites your CV instantly for that specific role. If you prefer not to use the extension, you can generate tailored CVs directly from your dashboard. Click New CV. Enter the job title, company name, and paste the job description. Alvaru generates a tailored CV instantly. You can edit and choose from different templates. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, send us a message. Good luck on your job search.